Hey there, Gateway Travel. I'm Amber, and welcome to our latest video where I'm going to share some essential tips and tricks for packing efficiently in a carry-on when traveling to Europe. A very specific video, but I really hope it helps you out. So whether you're heading to the cobblestone streets of Paris, the historic sites of Rome, or the beautiful landscapes of Switzerland, packing light can make your journey a whole lot easier and truly more enjoyable. Now let's dive into some key points I'll be covering today to help you make the most of your carry-on space. First things first, choose the right carry-on. Before you even start packing, make sure your carry-on meets the size and weight restrictions of your airlines you'll be flying with. I can tell you from experience, European airlines can be very strict about this, so double and triple check their guidelines. A lightweight, durable suitcase with good wheels and a sturdy handle is ideal for navigating through airports and European streets. Now let's talk about packing smart. The key to packing light is to be strategic about what you bring. Start by creating a packing list that includes all the essentials. Opt for versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched. Think layers. Europe's weather can be quite unpredictable, so pack items you can layer for warmth and are easy to remove if it gets too hot. I recommend rolling, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but also helps minimize wrinkles. You can also, in addition, use packing cubes to really keep everything organized and make it easier to find what you need without unpacking your entire suitcase. I highly recommend that you stick to a neutral color palette. Choosing clothing in neutral colors that can be easily mixed and matched. This way, you can create multiple outfits from just a few pieces. In addition, be sure to pack a couple of statement accessories, whether that's a scarf or jewelry, to really change up your look without taking up much space. Shoes can be a little challenging. Limit yourself to 2 to 3 pairs of shoes max. A comfortable pair for walking, something dressier if needed but still comfortable for walking, and perhaps a versatile pair of sandals or flats still needs to be comfortable for walking. There is a lot of walking to be done when you're in Europe. Wear the bulkiest pair on the plane to save space in your carry-on. Let's talk toiletries. Go minimal. Remember that liquids must be under 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces. This helps you comply with the TSA and European security regulations. Be sure that you invest in travel-size containers and only bring the essentials. Many European hotels and Airbnbs are going to provide basic toiletries, so you might not need as much as you think, and you know what? You can always buy things when you get there if needed. Now let's discuss technology and travel essentials. Keep your electronics and travel documents in a separate, easy-to-reach compartment. Don't forget a universal adapter for your electronics, super important, as European outlets differ from those in other parts of the world. A portable charger is also a lifesaver for long travel days. I personally used this on my trip. My phone was about to die. I still needed to get to the hotel. All of a sudden, it's pouring rain in the middle of Paris, and thank goodness I had a portable block charger with me so I could quickly charge my phone, get on my SIM card, and get an Uber to pick us up, which we didn't plan on doing. It was very much like an unplanned. We didn't know it was going to rain. We were not prepared for any of that. So always having a way to charge your phone is so important. All right, next up, plan for laundry. If you're traveling for more than a week, consider doing laundry while you're on the road. Bringing along a little bit of detergent or using hotel laundry services can allow you to pack even lighter. Many European cities do have laundromats that are really easy to use. Think about the weight, okay? Europe has a lot of stairs, especially in older buildings, and elevators are not always available. Keeping your carry-on light is going to make it easier to navigate through train stations, subways, and your accommodations in general. Leave room for souvenirs. Okay, this is getting tricky, right? Because now we're packing very efficiently in a carry-on, but we all know you're going to want to buy things to bring home. Leave room for souvenirs. If you plan to shop or bring back gifts, you've got to leave some extra space in your carry-on. So a foldable tote bag is also really handy for carrying additional items on your return trip. Lastly, just a reminder, wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Shoes, jacket, coat, anything like that, wear it on the plane. Airplanes can also get chilly, so it's a win-win in my book, okay? You're gonna stay warm and save space in your bag. Yes, yes, yes. And there you have it, some practical tips and tricks to help you pack efficiently in a carry-on for your European adventure. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other packing strategies that work really well for you, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Safe travels, and we'll see you next time.